Baka si Elmer yata. Nanonood rin yun.
Eto si Noli Locsin, naharangan. Inikot nila Kipido. Pumorma ng dress, lumapit, dinaglag kay Marlo. Isang fake, umikot! What a move!
Ayan ang teamwork ng mga veterano coming into play. Marlo Aquino in his second year had that kind of a move under pressure. So he has a possible three-point play coming up. Fourth foul ni Pochuino. You saw that foul up in the air. Hindi na niya makontrol ang kanyang momentum. But this is a nice play by Pido Harencio.
Oh yes, siya nagpaganap dito sa larong ito or sa play na to. And Marlo Aquino, yung kanyang familiar punch in the air. At ngayon may pagkakataong 3-point play. Mabuo niya pero kumalog. So abante pa rin po ang Gordon's Gin ng 4.5 remaining. Alaska trying to keep in step dito sa fired up Gordon's Gin. Lastimosa has been the main man. Sumiksik sa loob, na double team. 11 seconds, yung pasa ni Wino, malamya.